Recipe card first. 2 cups frozen fruit and 3/4 of a cup of liquid. If you add half a cup of yogurt, start with half a cup of liquid. That is a reliable starting point, not an unbreakable law. In a countertop blender jug, pour the liquid in first. Add yogurt next if you are using it, then add the frozen fruit. Start low, rise to high, and blend for about 30 to 45 seconds. Yes, you can blend frozen fruit. Break up hard clumps, or let them soften briefly if the blades stall. Do you need ice? Usually no. Frozen fruit already chills the drink and gives it body. For the yogurt version, use 2 cups fruit, half a cup yogurt and half a cup liquid. Without yogurt, use 2 cups fruit and 3/4 of a cup of water, juice, plant milk, or milk. For a milk smoothie, use 2 cups fruit and 3/4 of a cup of milk. Hold back extra milk for thinning. Too thick, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of liquid. Reblend, then repeat only if needed. Too thin, add frozen fruit by the small handful. The repeatable rule is simple. Start with 2 cups fruit and 3/4 of a cup of liquid, then adjust in small steps. A food knowledge film by Greenland Food.